my 1997 Honda Goldwing GL1500 Aspencade. It's all restored, running good now. Never thought I'd fall in love with a bike, but turns out that this Goldwing was a lot more better than what I thought it was going to be. I originally bought it to sell it, but I fell in love with it, as I said. So I'm keeping her. She only has 41,193 miles. Somebody put a 4-degree timing advance on there, and I'm surprised that it actually it can run on 87 octane, but only if it's nice and a little cool outside. If it gets above 95, then I have to run at least mid-grade. The only thing left is getting rid of those modified exhaust pipes that somebody did. That's the stock muffler, but somebody cut the valves off, put those end caps, and it's too loud. Too much bass. But after tuning the carbs, changing the plugs, replacing the shot air, what's it called? The shot air intake control valve, air control valve, runs good, idles good. I did a carburetor sync and a rebuild, but most of the problem was with the fuel spark plugs and a bad connection at the cannon plugs on the right side that sits above the right cooling fan. Had a bad connection, so one of the coil packs wasn't getting good current. Now it is. Now we'll let you see it ride. Alright, this video is for my fellow Goldwing buddies out there. Wanted to give you guys a video update on how good the bike's been doing. I am running 87 octane on here, so it shouldn't spark knock now that I got the carburetors tuned pretty good. So this one's for you, fellas. Thanks for all your help. I'm going to load it. About 1,500 RPMs and I'm going to hit it. No spark knock. RPMs, I'm gonna hit it. No spark knock. 1300 RPM. I'm not going to load it all the way, just enough to see if it'll spark now. Did pretty good. Slight hesitation, but I think that was my accelerator pump. Because I rotated the throttle slow, I didn't hit it. Like this. That's hitting it. It's got a good idle, lingering right around 800 RPM. Now I'm gonna hit it.